Everyone wants a deal when they buy a home, but chasing a steal, that can cost you the home that you love. I learned that lesson the hard way when I bought my first home. I used my parents' old school mentality of if your offer isn't a little embarrassing, it's not low enough. Well, I found the perfect home. It was on my mom's street, great yard, great schools, and as a single mom starting over, it felt like the perfect setup. I made my offer, I held my breath, and then silence. There was no counteroffer, no conversation, nothing. My offer was declined outright because I was chasing a steal, and I ended up losing the perfect home for me and my kids. That moment changed how I look at every offer. Now, after helping hundreds of buyers, I see this pattern all the time. People confuse getting a deal with getting away with something, and there's a huge difference. When your offer is too low, you don't look savvy, you look unserious. The seller feels disrespected, and the deal shuts down before it even begins. Here's what I teach my clients instead. First, lead with respect. Remember, the seller is human and they have money and emotions tied into their home. A strong offer shows the seller that you're serious and you're ready. Second, use terms, not tension. You can win through strategy. Flexible closing dates, sellers paying your closing costs, or negotiating the seller buying down your rate. Third, be funding ready. Confidence closes deals faster than any discount. That's what sellers want. Certainty. Someone who will actually make it to the closing table. In today's market, buyers finally have room to negotiate again. Homes are sitting longer, so yes, you can still get a deal. But a deal usually means 3 to 6% in value, not 20% off. That still looks like $10,000 to $12,000 in closing costs covered, or a rate buy down that saves you hundreds every month. Those are real wins, and they get accepted because they make sense for both sides. Looking back, I'm grateful my first offer was declined. It taught me how to help my clients win the right way. Now my buyers get homes they love and terms that make sense based off of their needs. Clean, calm closings every time. You don't need to steal a home to feel like you've won. A real deal is when you walk into closing day knowing you made a confident, strategic move that sets you up for long-term success. Confidence beats chaos. Control the controllables. Your offer, your communication, your energy. It matters. If you're getting ready to buy and you want your offer to be strong, strategic, and accepted, let's talk. Schedule a free discovery call with me. We'll map out your budget, your strategy, and how to make your next offer a deal, not a mistake. The link in my bio to schedule your personalized discovery call with me. Clean, calm closings. That's the goal. And it starts with a smart offer.